Hello, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for budget-friendly wellness tips. Today, we're tackling a topic close to the hearts and stomachs of many. Best affordable protein snacks that can be eaten during work. Because let's face it, maintaining energy levels during work hours is crucial. Let's dive in. Protein-packed productivity boosters. Workdays can be demanding, and finding the right snacks to keep you fueled without breaking the bank is a challenge. But fear not. We're about to explore a variety of affordable, protein-packed snacks that are perfect for the office. These snacks aren't just tasty. They're designed to give you that much-needed energy boost to power through your workday. Greek yogurt with berries, a desk-friendly delight. Let's kick things off with a desk-friendly delight, Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, offering a substantial dose of this essential nutrient. Toss in some berries for natural sweetness and an extra antioxidant boost. Individual portions are readily available, making it a convenient snack that can be stored in your office fridge. Spoon-ready and delicious, Greek yogurt with berries is a go-to option for those busy work hours. Almonds and dried fruits, the crunchy combo. Crunch your way through the workday with a crunchy combo, almonds and dried fruits. Almonds are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, providing sustained energy. Combine them with dried fruits for a sweet and savory mix that satisfies your taste buds and your nutritional needs. Pre-portion these snacks into small containers for easy access during your work hours. This desk-friendly duo ensures you get the protein and energy boost you need without compromising on taste. Hummus and veggie sticks, dippable delight. Let's bring some Mediterranean flair to your workday with hummus and veggie sticks. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is a protein-rich dip that pairs perfectly with carrot, cucumber, and bell pepper sticks. Opt for pre-cut veggies or prepare them at home for a snack that's as visually appealing as it is nutritious. Hummus and veggie sticks, a dippable delight that adds variety to your workday snacking routine. Cottage cheese and pineapple cups, tropical treat. Escape to a tropical treat with cottage cheese and pineapple cups. Cottage cheese is a high-protein dairy delight that can be paired with juicy pineapple chunks for a refreshing and satisfying snack. These cups are not only delicious but also easy to transport. Keep a few in your office fridge for a taste of the tropics without leaving your desk. It's a protein-packed vacation for your taste buds. Tuna salad wrap, portable protein power. Let's roll into our next protein-packed option, the tuna salad wrap. Tuna is a lean source of protein that pairs well with crunchy veggies and a whole grain wrap. This portable delight is not just tasty but also a convenient lunchtime solution. Prepare the ingredients in advance and assemble your wrap when hunger strikes. It's a substantial yet affordable option for those days when you need a heartier snack to keep you fueled and focused. Boiled eggs with whole grain crackers, protein on the go. Crack into the world of protein on the go with boiled eggs and whole grain crackers. Eggs are a complete protein source, and when paired with whole grain crackers, you get a satisfying combination of protein and complex carbohydrates. Boil a batch of eggs at the beginning of the week and keep a stash of whole grain crackers in your desk drawer. It's a simple yet effective solution for a quick and protein-packed workday snack. Peanut butter banana bites, sweet and nutty bliss. Satisfy your sweet cravings with peanut butter banana bites. Spread a thin layer of peanut butter on banana slices for a sweet and nutty bliss that also delivers a dose of protein and healthy fats. Prepare these bites at home, and they're ready to be enjoyed during your work hours. It's a delightful snack that combines the goodness of fruit with the richness of peanut butter. Cheese and whole wheat crackers, classic combo. Indulge in a classic combo, cheese and whole wheat crackers. Cheese provides protein and calcium, while whole wheat crackers offer a crunchy base. It's a timeless pairing that's not only delicious but also convenient for your office snack stash. Choose your favorite cheese variety and whole wheat crackers to create a snack that satisfies your savory cravings and keeps you fueled for the tasks ahead. Protein smoothie, sippable nutrition. Sip your way to nutrition with a protein smoothie. Blend together your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, and some yogurt or milk for a tasty and sippable snack. Pour your smoothie into a portable cup with a lid, and you have a convenient snack that you can enjoy between meetings or tasks. It's a versatile option that allows you to customize your flavors and nutrient content. Protein-packed oatmeal, warm and filling. Warm up your workday with protein-packed oatmeal. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and, when combined with milk or a plant-based alternative, create a creamy and filling snack. Prepare a batch in the morning and reheat it when you need a comforting and nutritious break. It's a substantial option for those looking for a warm and protein-rich snack during the colder months. Edamame, the green protein boost. Add a green protein boost to your snack arsenal with edamame. These young soybeans are not just tasty, they're also rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Keep a bag of frozen edamame in your office freezer and steam a portion when you're ready for a snack. It's a unique and nutritious option that brings a touch of vibrancy to your workday. Protein-fortified popcorn, crunchy indulgence. Turn popcorn into a protein-packed indulgence with protein-fortified popcorn. Popcorn is a whole grain, and when paired with protein powder or nutritional yeast, it becomes a savory and crunchy snack. Prepare a batch at home and portion it into snack-sized bags for an easy grab-and-go option. It's a guilt-free indulgence that satisfies your craving for something crispy without compromising on protein content. Quinoa salad jar, layers of goodness. Elevate your workday with a quinoa salad jar, layers of goodness in a portable container. Quinoa is a complete protein, and when combined with colorful veggies, it creates a visually appealing and nutritious snack. Prepare your salad jar in advance, layering ingredients for a vibrant and tasty experience. It's a desk-friendly option that adds a touch of gourmet to your workday snacking routine. DIY protein snack mix. Create your combo. Unleash your creativity with a DIY protein snack mix. Create your combo. Combine nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of your favorite protein-packed snacks for a customized mix that suits your taste and nutritional preferences. Prepare a big batch and portion it into smaller containers for a week's worth of personalized snacking. It's a fun and affordable way to ensure you always have a variety of protein options at your fingertips. Snack smarter, work better? As we wrap up our exploration of the best affordable protein snacks that can be eaten during work, remember that snacking smarter can contribute to better focus, sustained energy, and overall well-being during your work hours. Keep these options in mind and let your snacks work for you. If you found these snack ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Health Spiffy for more budget-friendly wellness tips and hit the notification bell. Share your favorite workday snacks in the comments, and let's make snacking during work both delicious and nutritious. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.